Hello, in this video I want to show you all available settings for Camera Pro mode on Honor Magic for Lite. So to do this, let's open up the camera, click More, then Pro. Here you'll be able to see all of the settings, so let me get you through all of them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.